Welcome everyone. Today I am going to tell you about RBI, the Central Bank of India. Very first, you must know that our economy is completely dependent upon the banking system in the country. There are in every economy, there are five sectors, and those five sectors are consumer sector, producer sector, government sector, rest of the world sector, and the market, the financial market sector. And all those four sector, household, producer, government, rest of the world, when they want to deal with each other, they deal with the help of banking sector, because when we are going to do any transaction that deals in money, and money is provided by banks in any economy, it is provided by banks. Banks could be of two types, commercial banks and central bank. The commercial banks are the one with which individuals like us consumers deal, and the central bank is the one with which all commercial banks deal and the government of country deals, that is central bank, and that central bank controls the functioning of all those banks. Also, it issues currency notes in the country. In our country, the central bank is RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Now, let me tell you about when it was established in the country. It was established in the country on 1st April 1935, and it was introduced by the British government in the country. And the purpose for establishment was the redevelopment for maintenance of that economy which was destroyed by the First World War. And at that time, office of RBI was headed by Mr. Osborne Smith. He was the first governor of RBI, Reserve Bank of India. But who was the first Indian governor for that? And the name for the first Indian governor was Mr. C.D. Deshmukh. Okay, and currently the governor for RBI is Mr. Shaktikant Das, and he is 25th governor. Do you know for how long a governor works for the RBI? A governor works for the period of 3 years, and it is decided by President of India. The appointment of the governor for RBI is done by the President of India, and in some special circumstances, the tenure or the term of office of that governor can be extended up to 2 years more. There are many duties performed by the governors of RBI. They create many guidelines for the functioning of commercial banks. They also help government in many things. But in this video, we are not going to discuss about those things. For that, you have to wait for another video. So, have a nice day. Bye-bye. Thank you.